Uber to come get them, and leaving their car parked, but that's probably the exception rather than the rule. Obviously, domestic are a good example. This car just ran the red light, so I'm gonna go stop him.
Copy, broken glass. It's 116. I can't see any movements inside from the exterior. Only for additional cars before we send it clear. Copy, no movement currently seen inside, waiting for additional. 125. Where's the broken glass at?
Waiting for 49 Tango. 44, 49 Tango.
51.
Well, this gentleman
Where's the broken glass?
says he has a driver's license, but only gave me an ID card. He says the vehicle registers to him.
Copy, broken glass. Main service to the west side of the building.
We shall see. This passenger's extra friendly. And when I say extra, I mean extra friendly, like too friendly.
New message.
I'm fine with people being nice, but
New message.
when I think they're being friendly, talking to me, trying to divert my attention, it makes me a little more vigilant. Let's see here. So I'm running the car and I'm running him. Just to see, make sure he doesn't have any major issues. He tried to explain to me that if the light turns yellow and you wait for Mississippi should be, and I told him that was one I hadn't heard before. So
New message. New message.
we've made access. Copy, made it. My partner cleared with the J9, so. Yeah. Suspicion. Where?
Street for suspicious.
All right. He's clear. He doesn't have any warrants.
Vehicle through 3 exits before his
And,
last name still driving around the block. Last name at Kingston and Room.
he's got a limited license, but he in right now. So I'm going to go up there and send him home.
8190.
8190. Cross 44 to 4440. That one's right there.
Right. Sent him on his way. He said he remembered me because he used to work at the Metrodome when the Vikings played there. And I used to run the off-duty security, but not for the Vikings games, for everything else there. So, but he didn't look familiar to me. So send him home with a little advice to not be running red lights.
If you want to, yeah, where's the check?